one of the first public milestones of the newly established School of Computing and Data Science. H2Obs reflect the spirit on which the school is founded: data, computation, and interdisciplinary collaboration to tackle the urgent challenges of Lebanon.
H2OBS is built on a simple but powerful premise that real-time environmental sensing, integrated data platforms, and high-fidelity hydrological modeling can transform how we understand and govern this vital resource. With strong potential for scaling up and opportunities for entrepreneurial spin-offs, H2Obs represents an humble but foundational step towards a future national water observatory. And God knows Lebanon needs a national water observatory. Together, we can map the contours of how nations plan, invest, protect their futures.
It's only an institution like AUB that can bring together the history that this country has experienced, our relationship with water. This institution is reinventing itself and making itself ready for the 21st century and allowing Lebanon for a fair shot at success, at prosperity in the 21st century. And I think there's no greater example of how important this is as when we meet here today to discuss the launch of H2Obs.
The Water Observatory initiative represents a forward-looking step towards modernizing water governance in Lebanon. This observatory lays the foundation for more transparent, evidence-based, and sustainable water resources management.
Coming from a research background, Minister El-Zain firmly believes that policy must be grounded in evidence. Science should inform governance by guiding investments, evaluating outcomes, and strengthening accountability. Initiatives such as this observatory embody exactly the integration of science and public action that Lebanon needs to build a resilient and sustainable water future.
So for me, water is a question of origin. The origin of water on the planets, the origin of water in the universe, the origin of life. We thought immediately that water has to be first, and if water has to be first, it has to be intimately coupled to the project within the Earth Sciences program and work to amplify it, connect it deeply to the public sector, and see this collaboration evolve through impactful research into what we hope will be a national observatory.
It started about 10 years ago or even before with a very humble sensor that we installed at H2Obs. And then it started rippling since then. And it's like building a small startup, not knowing if this is going to fail tremendously or if it's going to have some future eventually. So H2Obs, from pilot scale to scaling up.